¿Qué lo que, mi gente? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Maria and I'm glad you've joined us on this journey. I'm so glad to be back and be able to show you this easy hairstyle I got done for this year's 4th of July. That weekend, I was in the mood for bangs, but I didn't want to cut my hair to make them. So instead, I fixed my bangs without the help of scissors. Well, let's start with the needed tools. For this hairstyle, I used a large headband, a large claw clip, a fine tail comb, bobby pins, hair bands, and that's all. Before I start, like always, I add some scalp treatment oil that I got from Tropic Isles, which is very good for your scalp. I will leave more information in the video's description section in case you're interested on getting one for yourself. I then gently massage the scalp to trigger the circulation to the hair follicles, which promotes hair growth. Then I start to section the hair I want to use to make my bangs. After sectioning that hair, I brush my ends a little just to give it more volume. I fold this sectioned hair in half and move it to the back so I can measure how long I want the bangs to be. I hold the sectioned hair with bobby pins, even though this part is only temporary because later on I'm gonna take it off. After I secure the sectioned hair in place, I make a high ponytail, which pretty much everybody knows how to do it. I add the headband first on my neck, so it's easier to put it on after fixing my bangs the way I want them to be. So right now, after you put your headband on, as you can tell, there's a little bump in the back. In that thing, you can fix it by, tapping it down and placing some bobby pins to keep it in place. But some people like to have a little bump in there, which was a trending thing back in the day, I remember. But in this case, I just wanted to keep it, in the low, so I decided to do that. Honestly, when I thought I finished it, I didn't like how it looked here. So I decided to refresh the section hair with some water and leave-in conditioner, which allowed me to style my bangs easier. So as you can tell, they will look way different compared to how they looked at first. I was so disappointed that I even forgot to put the band head on my neck. That way it's easier for me to put it on bangs, but as you can tell, I'm struggling because I forgot to do that. So yeah, that's why I recommend to put it on your neck first. Pero nada, todo es por la belleza. Anyways, after all that, you can always, keep brushing your bangs and, fix it to the point until it's in your liking. In my case, I just kept fixing and fixing and fixing and fixing until I was able to get the perfect look that I wanted to wear that day. So, yeah, it's that simple. Thank you all for watching. Your support does mean a lot to me. I really appreciate that. Please like, comment, and share this video to help others out with this great hairstyle idea. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you can get notifications of my new coming videos. Ciao!